Hello and welcome to the Lazy Gardener. Today we're going to change the water in our hydroponic system. Let's get started.
Some people dream of good things. Very few people stay awake and do them. People dream of good things.
Okay, so the first thing I'm doing here is trying to siphon some of the water off from the main bucket. Basically, I'm doing that so that I can use the water, which has loads and loads of nutrients in it, to feed all my other crops. I also need to keep an eye on the water level to ensure that there's 2 inches of headspace between the bottom of the roots and the water level. This is to ensure there's good root development. Now I'm just filling it up and adding some new nutrients to the water solution. I've moved up the feeding to 80% what is recommended. This step up in nutrients is due to the roots developing at such a great rate. And now I'm pHing the water. The water has to be pHed to 6 pH, which is optimal for tomato plants. Thanks for watching.